Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this Costco Kirkland Signature Chicken Pot Pie. We've got everything that we need assembled here. You're just going to need your pot pie, a food thermometer, and a baking sheet or several pieces of foil just to layer underneath your pot pie in the oven. Now the first thing that you need to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we're going to go ahead and open this up and take our pot pie out of our package and place it onto our baking sheet. All right, we're gonna pop this into our oven for their recommendation is about 1.5 hours or until the internal temperature reaches a minimum of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna do that and then come back and let you know exactly how long it took in my oven. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right guys, it has been exactly 1 hour and 30 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and check our internal temperature because our crust is definitely looking a little done. All right, we checked a few different spots and it is consistently above 165 degrees internal temperature. So here is our completed Costco Kirkland Signature Chicken Pot Pie. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.